Okay everybody, have you ever wanted to own one of my custom 732 factory rally adventure bikes? Just like the one that I rode around the world, Basil bike, on Races to Places? Well, now's your chance. And not only that, this particular bike has an even special story because Basil wasn't the first bike that I built. This bike was the very first bike that I built. It was the bike that I built to test what it would be like, test riding it in the dunes, test racing it, test adventure riding it, before I built the bike to ride around the world. So I built this very bike, the first one, and I raced Mazuga Rally with it in 2013. And I've managed to get my hands back on this bike, and I'm going to raffle it off to you guys because I don't just want to sell it to somebody that's got a big wad of money. I want to give everybody that's followed me on my races to places and my riding around the world and all the projects that I've done an equal opportunity to win this bike by buying a raffle ticket. So your chance has come to win this bike. Tickets are just £10. All the details are on the website, which is in the description below. Go and have a look, click on the link for your chance to win this bike for just £10. And while you're on the link, check out the other merchandise on our website. Get yourself a lovely Basil bike t-shirt like the one I'm wearing, or something else. And I just wish you all the very best of luck. The draw is going to take place on the 1st of December, and somebody is going to win this very 732 factory rally adventure bike, hand built by Lyndon Poskett at Christmas. It's going to be an amazing Christmas present. Good luck everyone.